This is a little interesting because BBL had a rough start, especially on DXC screener. It basically looks like a rug pull, so it's kind of scaring people off at first. My dog's making these weird noises. I don't know if you can see him right here. So I've done some on-chain analysis. By the way, this video is no financial advice, and we'll try to figure out what is going on with our token, with our beloved token. So the main liquidity Bybit. There's some on HDX. I'll personally use Bybit. Use the link in the description below. 5 grand in bonuses plus a lot of other stuff. beoble or BBL. Current volume is 12 mil. Only 300-400k is on DXC screener, so that's why it's a little bit harder to understand what's going on there. But we'll open up the chart and see where volume resides. The first thing I noticed was something that I saw in the order book, and I saw it's primarily bullish controlled. But before that, I just want to tell you that you should definitely use the link in the description below if you want to see how I think, how I take my trades. And basically, a lot of people are charging 2-3 grand for different programs. I mean, want everything to be super accessible with just 127 bucks. All the proof is inside. Everything that I teach you is basically case studies of things that I've done. Like all of this is case studies, trades that I show you. It's back-to-back trades. We did a 10x on OPSEC. We are digesting that as well. So take a look in the description below. So something that I want to show you right here is the order book on Bybit. And basically, are the limit orders or the market makers having buys and sells up and down, right? Sales on the spot would be take profits. The main selling point is 23,500. Which is pretty much right here. This was an important area a few times. The main buying point is 22,700. Basically, this 15-minute candle. People are expecting us, and we have a few of those. By the way, we also have a big buying spike right here. We have 75% buyers, so definitely very bullish. Anyway, you look at it, 75% on the 001. 28% on this one, so there's a lot of profit taking if we go here. In the short term, we would say here, but the main one I would use is basically the same candle I have, which would be this one, and this is primarily bulls controlled. This is the top 20 levels of the order book saying a pump. So basically from here, are we more likely to go here or here? Based on the order book, we're most likely to pump. Also, we are about to cross the 10, and I don't really use the 10 and the I use the 20 normally and the 50. That's just the basic stuff they give you. So let's just put this in. I'll also use the EMA, but we're basically bouncing off the EMA. Not very good volume, but this sell-off wasn't that hard. So yeah, short term, I'm bullish. Long term, this is a good high, this is a weak high, but the retest was good. So I would imagine we would retest this. We retested it with good pressure, so a pump is definitely possible. I would be interested in buying a little bit and doing a quick 5% scalp. Maybe how much are we getting to? Maybe a 2-3% scalp. Pretty easy build for this order book sale. So this is what I'll do right now. Love you with all my heart, and is the OJ to the Z set on the next one.